Are you a morning person, a noon person, an afternoon person, an evening person, a night person? We all have different patterns of productivity. We all have hours in the day in which we have tremendous mental capacity, we can concentrate and get things done, and we have hours of the day in which we're a little sluggish, to say the least. And the key is, if you understand that, you would want to rearrange your day. Imagine, for example, that you can accomplish something during a 1 minute interval in your productive time, and it would take you 5 minutes in your unproductive time to accomplish the same thing. It means that if you take tasks that require thought and concentration, productivity, and you put them in your unproductive time, you're just wasting your time. But if you put them in your productive time, now you're going to get things done. It also means we should take this productive time and really keep it sacred. We should keep it, we should not let things like meetings and email and Facebook intervene with that time. And if we can do that, if we can shift our tasks around to fit with our natural pattern of productivity, it's as if you're taking your day and you're stretching it. It's as if you're time shifting and getting more hours out of the same time. If it's not a priority in your calendar, it won't be a priority in your life.